Okay, this is picture number 5, or set 15, as the government calls it. Briefly describe what you see in the picture. What do you think happened to the aircraft? How do you think it happened? All right. So, briefly describing, well, there's one aircraft in the picture, and apparently there's been an accident, or the aircraft has gone off the runway. The nose of the aircraft is sitting on top of the wall, of this wall. It's also called a retaining wall. It's a Middle Eastern carrier, or it's a carrier from the Middle East. It's a Middle Eastern airline. It's an airline from the Middle East, Etihad. The photo appears to have been taken in the morning. That's my best guess. Most likely there was a runway excursion. Right. It looks like the aircraft went off the runway. Alright, so more description. Evidently, when the plane came to a stop, the nose of the aircraft hit the wall, and now it's resting on top of it. These are all just example sentences you can use. It looks like there was some sort of accident. I'd say there was an accident. It appears there was an accident. How did it happen? Maybe they had a problem with the brakes. Maybe their brakes malfunctioned, and they couldn't stop and hit the wall there. I don't know how it happened, but I think it was probably a problem with the momomo. The noun is 명사. This is a good sentence example or construction. Right. Anyway, it's almost gone up over the wall. Now, I Googled this, and I found other pictures of it. So that aircraft was in bad shape, not in good condition. By the way, this is, as you know, you guys probably know retaining walls. Retaining walls are used to hold back water or large amounts of dirt or earth. You see these at some beaches or next to the beach or the sea. They hold in the sea. Now again, I Googled this background story. A lot of these pictures you can do that. And here's the excerpt that French investigators have found that an Airbus to be delivered to Etihad Airways crashed during ground engine tests because the wheels were unchalked and attempts to steer away from a wall had decreased brake pressure, evidently. But there's a lot of fake stories out there. Fake news. If you want to try out a sentence, or if there's a question, please write it in the comments section. Leave a comment, and maybe I or someone else can give you some feedback.